Brooklyn's in the house.
What's up, everybody? It's Anthony, Brooklyn Treasure Hunter. What possesses us to come out in days like this? The thrill of the hunt. Well, we're here at Dead Horse Bay today. I got a few great people with me. We got Audra, Jersey History Hunter, and Amanda Degaz. We're gonna see if we can get ourselves some goodies, and I'll bring you in on that first one. See you soon. Well, first little find here is a little bit of spoonage. Has some writing on it, but I can't make it out, so we don't know if it's silver or just stainless or something. But we'll find out, and we'll bring you in at the end, and I'll let you know what it is. Sorry for the wind, so if you're getting a lot of it, it's a windy day here today. Audra just found herself a nice little bottle, little cork top. Got ourselves a penny. Pretty cool. It's very worn down, but at least first coin of the day. Let's see what else we can find. Well, we got ourselves interesting find. Still not sure what it is. I don't know if that's a stone or if it's like a gem, or I mean, this looks brass, so we'll do a little research on it and let you know. Bring you back in on the next good find. Well, looks like we might have a coin here. Very crusted up, so I'm not sure what the heck it is. But we'll clean it up and let you know in the video. Well, we got ourselves another coin. Not sure what the heck it is. It's very thin and worn. But we'll check it out and bring you in later. Looks like we got ourselves an old lock, kind of small. The top two pieces, as I picked it up, it snapped right off. But we'll see if we can clean it up and at least keep it together. Let's keep on going. Well, got ourselves, looks to be like a, that's probably bling, but cool little kid's ring. We'll have to clean it up. Looks like it has like a little heart shape on it, and there was a stone that's missing, and we'll clean it up. I don't see any like type markings or anything like that that I could see. Actually, there might be something written right there, but we'll have to clean it up. We'll bring it when we get home, and we'll bring it a little bit back to life here, and we'll let you know what it is. Bring in on that next good one. Well, found something else. Could be a coin, could be a button. That's the thing with Dead Horse Bay. You know, when you find stuff, a lot of times it's all crusted over, and you just got to clean it up. So hopefully we'll be able to let you know what this is. Again, sorry for the wind. And to Degaz. There, see what you can find. Oh, cold day. It's in the 30s. It feels a lot colder than that here because we're by the water. Let's take a couple of shots over here. Making our way towards the exit, which is down there. Audra had left a little earlier because it was getting cold. We're probably only going to be here for a little bit more. Pretty cool spot. I found a lot of stuff today. Usually I come and I get bottles and stuff, but today I actually was mudlarking a lot more as far as trying to find coins and getting some other stuff. I was glad I found that little ring. That was pretty much, I think, my find for the day. Hopefully those little circles, which I hope are coins, will be coins. We'll have to do some cleaning when we get home. And we'll see how it goes. So, bring you in on a little wrap up later. See you soon.